Hello my dear student, welcome back to online class. Today I am going to discuss about the third unit of modern bank management, that is innovative and digital banking. Let us discuss about a continued part of these chapters. Indian Financial System Code, that is IFSC. So Indian Financial System Code is a unique 11-digit alphanumeric. Alphanumeric means a combination of alphabets and number. So this is called as alphanumeric code. It is a unique code used to identify a bank branch to transfer fund online through the RTGS, means Real Gross Settlement System, or NEFT means National Electronic Fund Transfer, or IMPS means Interbank Mobile Payment System. So internet banking transaction for transferring funds using the IMFC or NEFT or RTGS cannot be initiated without a valid of Indian Financial System Code IFSC. So Indian Financial System Code is important to the bank's customers because they need to pay Indian Financial System Code IFSC for initiating most of the electronic funds transfer. So the IFSC system form a common thread amongst these varied options. So it is an imaginary sign to identify a bank branches, and also it ensure that money has been rotated to the accurate distinctions. So we can see in the picture IFX code is like that. So here both alphabet and numbers are there. So a combination of alphabets and numeric means alphanumeric code. So this is called as Indian Financial System Code. So next we can see the importance of IFSC, means Indian Financial System Code. So the importance of IFSC can be looking at the following points like that. First one is source identification. So it is a unique code is used for the identifying different branches of a bank. So this simple code can be helped to RBI, means Reserve Bank of India, tracks, oversee as well as maintaining all the electronical carried out the financial transaction, such as National Electronic Fund Transfer or Gross Settlement System or a Interbanking Mobile Payment System. So next, facilitates funds transfer. So IFSC helps to RBI to ensuring the smooth working of all the banking transaction. It is removing all the errors which might be hamper the process of transferring funds through the online. And next, simplified process. So by using of IFSC, the process of transferring funds through the national electronic funds or gross settlement system or interbanking mobile payment system, any has been made easier and reliable. So these are all the three important of the IFSC. So next we can see the features. So some of the important feature of IFSC. So let us discuss one by one. IFSC enables easy branch location and identification. And second one is IFSC easier digitalization of bank transfer and operation. And third one is IFSC facilitates quick and accurate transfer of funds. And fourth one is IFSC promotes safety and saves time. And fifth, IFSC supports National Electronic Fund Transfer and Real Gross Settlement System, and also Interbanking Mobile Payment System transaction. So these are all the features of IFSC code. Next, advantage of IFSC. The benefits or significance of the IFSC are like that. First one is smooth online fund transfer. The use of IFSC is compulsory in the facilitating all the online transaction. So it enables convenient and free transfer of fund from one account to another, and all the such transaction can be proceed easily. And second one is monitoring transactions. So IFSC enable to Reserve Bank of India to keep a regular track of all the banking transaction, and also minimizing all possible chance of a transaction process. And third one is unique identification. So IFSC facilitates in a identification of all the bank branches, so helping the customer to avoid all the possible error during the online transaction. And fourth one is eliminating errors. So IFSC helps to using to carry out the fund transaction processing the securely, and also eliminating all the possible chances to the frauds activities in the online transaction. And the fifth one is convenient. So customer need not visit to branch for the money and transfer, cannot option for the online transaction without helping of the IFSC code, and it is a rather convenient and also option. So these are all the advantage or a benefit of IFSC code. Next we can see the National Payment Corporation of India, means NPCI. So National Payment Corporation of India NPCI is an umbrella organization for operating retail payment and settlement system in India. So an initiative of a Reserve Bank of India, Indian Banking Association, means IBA. So National Payment Corporation of India was incorporated in the year of 2018 December under the section of 25th of the Companies Act 1956 as not for the profit organization, and certificate for the commencement was issued in the April 2009. So here we can see the picture. So presently 56 banks are shareholder of National Payment Corporation of India. There are public sectors banks, 19 banks are including, and 17 private sector bank, and 3 foreign banks, and 7 multi scales cooperated bank, and 10 religion rural banks. So next, see the objectives of National Payment Corporation of India. So the major objectives are like that. The main objective of NPCI is to create a robust payment and settlement infrastructure by the integrated multiplier system with the varying services level into the national wide uniform and standard business process of all the retail payment system. And second one is NPCI was incorporated with the initiative to provide infrastructure to the entire banking system in India for the person and digital payment and settlement processes. So third, It also aimed to facilitate an affordable payment mechanism to benefit the common man across the country. And fourth one is the NPCI is aimed at bringing the innovative through the technologic upgrading in the retail payment system for the ensuring higher operational efficient and build up the payment procedures. And fifth one is NPCI also aimed at transferring Indian into the cashless society by reaching the every citizen with the number of payment services. So these are all the objectives of NPCI. Next we move on to the services. So the corporation services are like that. First one is Aadhaar enabled payment system. So Aadhaar enabled payment system is a bank led model which allow online basic banking transaction at the micro ATMs. So through the banking corporation or correspondent of any bank or retail merchant using the Aadhaar authentication. So a customer must providing details such as bank identification, Aadhaar number, fingerprints, or compliance such as transaction. And second one is second services is Bharat Bill Payment Interface, means BBPI. It stands for Bharat Bill Payment Interface. So is an Reserve Bank of India. Its system driven by the NPCI. So it recognizing the importance of bill payment in retail payment industries of development. Bharat Bill Payment Interface. So it is one stop shop for all the bill payment such as mutual funds, insurance premium, school fees, telecom, electricities, gas, water, and more. So this is a second services of corporation services. And third one is Bharat QR code. So basically a QR code is a series of black square arranged in a secured grid that can be read by a camera. So NPCI is collaborated with the American Express, Mastercard, and Visa development a common standard QR code is specification. So this led to Bharat QR, a person of merchant mobile solution. The customer can be scan the code through the RQ, enable mobile banking apps or making the payment. And next, Bharat interface for the money. So beam. So we can see the beam app. So the introduction of the concept an application named Bharat interface for the money beam was launched to make payment simpler and easier. So instead banks do bank payment by using just a registered mobile number or a virtual payment address, means UPI address. So next, immediate payment service. So IMPS, immediate payment service, stand for immediate payment services. It is 24 into 7 real time or cost efficient and also independent retail payment channel introduced by the NPCI. It is a real time and interbank payment services which enable to customer to transfer fund instantly. So it is because of IMPS that current innovation like UPI are possible. And the sixth one is check truncation system. So CTS is based on the online image based check. It clearly clear system. It is a system where check image and magnetic ink character recognized data are captured at the collecting bank branches and transmitting electronically. And the next, National Automated Clearing House. National Automated Clearing House is an centralized payment system. So National Automated Clear House is an web-based solution that facilitates interbank or high volume, low value electronic funds or transactions that are repetitive and periodic in the nature. And next, Unified Payment Interface. So, Unified Payment Interface is a real-time payment solution that link bank account with the UPI platform launched on April 11, 2016. It enables multiple bank accounts to be accessed for a single mobile application. It is an interbank payment system that enables the direct transfer of money from one bank account to another bank account. So this system work around the work sorry clock. Next, rupee. So rupee is a new domestic card payment system launched to satisfying the Reserve Bank of India's vision of offer a domestic open loop and the multilateral system. So it is an robust card scheme designed to offer the payment production with the superior feature and the process specially designed to the diverse customer needs. Next, National Common Mobility Card means NCMC. So, National Common Mobility Card was launched on March 4th, 2019. So, it is enabled through the RuPay card mechanism. So, RuPay contactless is an contactless payment technology that allow card holders to wave their card into the front of the contactless payment intermediately without need to physically swipe or insert the card into the POS device. Next, 11th, National Electronic Toll Collection. So, it is a national wide program. It designed to meet the electronic tolling requirement in India. So, it use a common to the fast stage as a payment mode to all toll irrespective of the toll plaza. So next, National Financial Switch. So with a view of interconnection or interconnected the ATMs, the Institute for the Development and Research in Banking Technology developed and implemented the NFC. So it was taken over the NPCI from the IDRBT on December 14, 2019. So next, USSD services. So unstructured supplementary services data. So this channel services for the UPI mobile banking launched in the year of November 2012. Then it had been limited reach. It was relaunched in the year of 2014 August after launching the UPI in 2016. The USSD services aim to take banking services to the every common man in the country. And next 14th, Aadhaar Payment Bridge, so APB. Its system is by the government and government agencies to make a direct benefit transfer with the respective various central and state sponsor the scheme. So I concluding this class. Thank you for watching.